Hi there. Welcome to this video on the principles of inheritance and variations. As a master of genetics, I'll be taking you through the key concepts and mechanisms that govern the transmission of traits from one generation to the next. First, let's start with a basic understanding of genetics. Our DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, contains the instructions for building and maintaining the body. This information is stored in genes, which are sequences of DNA that code for a specific trait, such as eye color or height. Now, let's talk about inheritance. When cells divide and produce offspring, they pass on a copy of their DNA, and therefore, a copy of their genes. This process is known as vertical transmission, and it's the basis for how traits are passed from parents to their offspring. Next, let's delve into the two main principles of inheritance, dominant and recessive. Dominant traits are expressed when just one copy of the gene is present, while recessive traits require two copies of the gene to be expressed. For example, if we take the gene for flower color in pea plants, we can observe that the dominant allele for purple flowers masks the expression of the recessive allele for white flowers. This means that a plant with one dominant allele and one recessive allele will have purple flowers, while a plant with two copies of the recessive allele will have white flowers. Another important concept in genetics is mutation, which is a change in the DNA sequence. Mutations can be caused by various factors, such as radiation or chemicals, and they can lead to new variations in traits. These variations can also occur spontaneously, due to random changes in the DNA sequence. This can result in different individuals having different versions, or alleles, of the same gene, leading to variation within a population. Finally, let's talk about sexual reproduction. When two individuals mate, they combine their genetic information, producing offspring with a unique combination of traits from both parents. This process of combining genetic information is known as horizontal transmission, and it's one of the key drivers of genetic diversity. In conclusion, the principles of inheritance and variations are the foundation of genetics. From the vertical transmission of genes, to the expression of dominant and recessive traits, to the occurrence of mutations and the combination of genetic information during sexual reproduction. These concepts help us understand the complexity and diversity of life. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a better understanding of the principles of inheritance and variations. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below.